payment. High Court directs schools not to charge more than tuition fee or face action. Pathways World Private School built in Aravalis gets notice. No school until after Diwali. Parents say safety first. Be alert against cyber criminals. Bengaluru cops to schools. In report card, wins for Delhi government. High scores up. More schools were 100% passed exam. Maharashtra 12th result 2020. Maharashtra State Board for Secondary and High Secondary Education Board to declare HSC result today at markresults.nic.in. Delhi government begins process to set up its own education board. Himachal High Court bars Lawrence School, Sanawar from charging additional fee for online classes. Students bought laurels to their schools. CBSE toppers in 10th examination result. Bijendra Public School, Purnia, Bihar. Good evening and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where you get to watch the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Janvi reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: the Punjab and Haryana court has clearly spelled out that no private school can charge more than tuition fee, and in fact gave warning to private schools to not to charge more than tuition fee from students failing, which High Court could take action as per law. The Chandigarh administration has also filed its reply in the case, and Independent School Association and other schools have stated that they will file replication in the matter. The Haryana State Pollution Control Board has issued a show-cause notice to city-based private school for allegedly violating the Aravali Notification Act. As per Forest Department's records, the school has been constructed on Kair Mumkin Pahar, which falls under the Aravali notification. With the COVID situation worsening in the state as positive cases cross 43,000, the state government is considering the reopening of schools only after Diwali vacation, say top sources. In fact, the Education Department has decided to focus on online learning and other distance education method to impact education to students until the academic session starts after Diwali this year. With online classes becoming the new normal, City Police have requested schools to be on the alert against online fraudsters and hackers who may take advantage of the situation. Last week, a non-teaching staffer of a private school near Babuji Nagar, Mysore Road was caught when he logged into a primary school teacher's app used for online classes. At a press conference Tuesday, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal highlighted that government schools has registered a better pass percentage at almost 98% than private schools for the 5th year in a row. A day after the CBSE Class 12 results were declared, a breakdown of the performance of Delhi government school showed that there was not only a rise in an overall pass percentage but also an improvement in the scores of students. Maharashtra 12th result 2020. Maharashtra State Board for Secondary and High Secondary Education will declare the Class 12 or High Secondary certificate results today at markresults.nic.in. Over 15 lakh students will get their results. The Maharashtra HSC result 2020 will be announced at 1 p.m. on July 16. Students will be able to check their results at markresults.nic.in after it's declared. Once the result is declared, students will get instant SMS alert of results from hindustantimes.com. The Delhi government on Wednesday initiated the process of formation of its own school education board and constituted two committees, Delhi Education Board Committee and Delhi Curriculum Reform Committee, to work on it. In its budget 2020 to 2021, the Delhi government had announced plans for curriculum reforms and creating a new board of education for the national capital. School ignored a digitally signed representation by 140 parents requesting the fee waiver. Division bench directs the State Education Secretary and school headmaster to file a reply on instruction before the next day of hearing on July 20. The residential Lawrence School at Sanawar in Solan district boasts of alumni such as former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah, former Punjab, former Deputy Chief Minister Sukhbir Singh Badal, and actor Sanjay Dutt. Mount Literacy School CBSE results 2020. Hardik D 94.4%, Chandana 94.2%, Elia Grace 94%, Mahavir 91.8%, Hityashi 89.6%, Tejas 89.6%. Sri Sharada Public School has secured 100% results in the CBSE Board Examination 2020. The school has been securing 100% results since inception. Secretary R. Manjunath Srivatsa congratulates the students on their stellar performance. Akshay LB is the school topper. The school has secured 13 distinction and 27 first class. Sneha Kumari scored 95% in Bijendrapura Public School, Purnia, Bihar. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.dnn.com. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Jahnavi.